Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will show you how to change the key battery on your Suzuki Baleno. So let's get started. First you will need few things: a small flathead screwdriver and a new battery for your Suzuki Baleno. Now step 1, insert the flathead screwdriver gently into the joint. Twist the screwdriver to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to use too much force. Now step 2, once you have opened the fob of your Suzuki Baleno, note the orientation of the old battery before removing it. You will need to place the new battery in the same way. Now step 3, take your new battery and insert it into the compartment. And then step 4, snap the two halves of the fob back together. You should hear a click when it's securely closed. And then step 5, test the key fob to make sure it's working. You can do this by pressing any button and checking if your Suzuki Baleno responds. So by this method you can change the Suzuki Baleno key fob. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe.